Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fill in here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Filling elements here in Adobe Express is a simple process that can enhance your designs by adding depth, creativity, and impact. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring, amazing designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Now, in my case, I'm going to start with my design by using all these elements. All right. I'm going to add a new one right here and put in the picture. And I'm going to go to the element section. All right. Okay. So I'm going to choose some of the shapes here. Maybe I'm going to use the balloon section. Let's look for a like speech bubble. Like this one right here. Okay. Or you know what? I'm gonna hover back. I'm gonna copy this image right here. So basically you can be creative, right? I'm gonna drag this here. Now, for you to be able to fill in elements right here, for example, if you want to fill a color here, all right, right now it's in the gray, and if you want to fill a different color, all I'm gonna do is use this color right here that says fill, right? I'm going to add maybe a color that suits our brand, which is gonna be this one, all right, and decrease the border thickness. You see that? I'm gonna make sure it's not overwhelming right here, and I want to fill in a text from these, all right. I fill in a different color, and of course, I'm going to fill in with a text. Add a text here. Copy that. And put the text here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. So it's going to be, put that in. All right, so that's... There you go. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So basically, these are some of the ways where you can fill in elements and shapes and whatnot. Now, if you want to fill in the empty background because it's kind of white right here, it's very easy because all I have to do is go to the media or at least element section and type in background. You see that? Type in background to see if you can fill in a background for this amazing design that we have created. All right, so let's click this, and we have already filled in the empty background with this amazing picture. Right, you can detach the page background if you want, and you can go for adjustment. Once you're happy with this, you might want to click the download button on the upper right corner. You can download it as an MP4 or all these formats. If you want to share this amazing design to your client or to your boss, just click the copy link, send it to him. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.